Hello everyone, my name is Martin. I am from Adventure World. I'm from the South American team. And today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious Argentinian empanadas. Basically, it's very simple. You don't need a lot of things. And it's very fast and very easy to cook. So basically what you need is 2 big onions. You're going to need 4 boiled eggs. You're going to need some short crust pastry. It doesn't have to be anything in particular. So anything that you can find in the supermarket is fine. Some beef mince, regular, 500 gram. Cumin seeds, please don't forget it, very important. Olives, pitted if possible. Sugar, salt, and pepper. That's all you. Very simple. Let's begin. Alright, so the first step is to chop the onions in very small pieces. So basically, just gonna put it in a pan with olive oil. And you're gonna put it here until the onions are golden. Don't let it burn, just until it's a little bit golden. This one is almost ready. Oh, those onions made me cry a lot. Don't cry for me, Argentina. I like the Spanish version a little more. Sounds more authentic. Alright, second step. The meat. Okay, we're gonna put the beef mince into the pan. Okay, we're gonna mix it slowly with the onion. I chose beef empanadas because it's a very unique recipe of the northern part of Argentina, especially from the province of Salta. It's a beautiful place in Argentina. It's actually one of my favorite, and my mom's favorite, definitely. The community there is lovely, the landscapes are stunning, and if you have a chance, I'm gonna recommend you to go to the northern part of the country because it's just amazing. I really recommend it. So once you add the salt, the pepper and the sugar, you can add the cumin. Very important, don't forget it, it's what is gonna bring the flavor, okay? Once we have all the salt, the pepper, the sugar and the cumin, we are going to add the eggs and the olives. Of course, you have to cut them as well, very small. And let the magic happen. Well, once it's all cooked, it actually gets cooked very fast. So once it's all ready, you're just gonna let it cool down for a bit. We don't want to put it already in the pastry because it's gonna melt it. So let it cool down for about 10 minutes. Just leave it there. And we're gonna continue with the pastry, okay? It's very important that you don't take it out of the freezer straight away, just because after 15 minutes it's already getting a little bit soggy. I wash my hands, of course, don't worry about it. Once you have it, and after 10 or 15 minutes, you can start cutting it, okay? So I'm just gonna cut this in 4 parts. So in this case, we have 5 sheets. In this case, we're gonna cut it in 4, so we can have 20 amazing empanadas. All right, we're almost there. Once this has cooled down, and we have the pastry cut in quarters, we're just gonna try to put a little bit of the filling inside, leaving the corners free so we can close the empanada, okay? We're also gonna use a little bit of water and just prepare a raw egg so we can then paint the empanadas at the end for a golden finish. So the water, just put a little bit in your finger and put it all on the borders of the pastry. This is for the empanada to be able to close. If not, you're gonna put it on the oven and it's gonna open and all the filling's gonna go everywhere and it's gonna be just an absolute mess. Okay, that should be enough. Excellent. So we are almost there, guys. The most important thing now is that you push on the borders after you put the water, so you can definitely finish closing the empanada, okay? And the final step is what we call the repulgue. So it's a little finish to just make sure that the empanada is totally sealed and nothing is gonna escape from the inside, okay? So it's very simple. Just gonna start with the corner and just gonna twist it, okay? Twist it, then with your thumb, you're gonna press there and with your index you're just gonna twist it again. Okay, so press, twist, press, twist, press, twist, and all the way around. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're not competing for any TV show, so just enough so the empanada is sealed. So keep pressing and twisting, pressing and twisting, pressing and twisting. There we go. And the final, just another seal, and there you go. Look at the empanada. So you're gonna make the 20 of them, of course, because, well, at least I'm gonna make my 20. I'm probably gonna have half of them. And you're just gonna place each of them on a baking paper on a tray. So remember, the most important thing after this one, the very final step, is to use the egg, a little bit of egg on the brush. It just paint that empanada. So when it's out of the oven, it's just golden, crunchy, and just very yummy. So when you finish, it should look something like this. And I have already another 20 in the oven, ready to have tonight. Make them at home. Tell me how you feel about the recipe, and I hope you enjoy them. Bye bye.